This video shows you how to add some vacuum fresheners to your cleaning. If you haven't already, click on the hyperlink in the description, which will take you to a video on how to clear out your clogged up vacuum cleaner or Hoover through disassembling and then fixing or repairing any broken component in the combination or cleaning head of the Hoover or vacuum. After clearing up the clog from your Hoover and deep cleaning the accessories of your Hoover, if you're still getting a pungent smell, then you can use vacuum fresheners to mitigate or eliminate the odor. If your type of Hoover is a bagless cyclonic vacuum, then pour the granules from a single sachet into its empty dust container and then repeat subsequently each time the bag is emptied. But if you're using a conventional Hoover, empty 2 sachet granules into the empty dust bag, or when replacing the bag, or when it is emptied, at least on average once a month. And that's about it really. If you found the information useful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, helps the channel grow, and hopefully catch up with you later. Goodbye.